I don't really see a hill. I don't think you guys either. But you know what? England is a very flat country. It kind of goes up a bit, so that's bad enough to call it a hill here. Also, the Constitution part of the name. Probably most of you don't know this, but we don't actually have a written constitution in this country. The Constitution bit of the name makes it sound like some great political event took place here on this hill. It sounds like something really fantastic and famous happened here, doesn't it? Well, actually, no political event ever took place on this hill. The reason it is called Constitution Hill has nothing to do with politics whatsoever. Actually, what it comes from is a king of England called King James I. Now, James I was a bit of a health-conscious guy. He liked to go for a walk every morning before he ate his breakfast. And where he liked to go for that walk was here, at this end of the park. Now, you're in English, your health can also be called your constitution, and such a walk for your health is often known as a constitutional walk. So that is why this hill is called Constitution Hill. It is basically Health Hill. But yes, you will find there are some more names later on in the course, and some of them have fairly obvious explanations, some of them not quite so obvious. But we are going to head down to Buckingham Palace now and see if we can catch the changing of the guard. So let's head down.